Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Now gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
And what's up, Bomb Squad? This is DC Kool-Aid and
Boss Lady Lexi.
she come in our house with some damn watermelon. I'm trying to figure out what we gotta do with this. I'm listening.
Alright, y'all.
But I'm gonna stop her because she's thinking about it. She about to put me in check right now. Make sure y'all hit that like button first. I'm waiting. Thank you. Now go ahead.
Okay, what you have to do is be the first person to eat your watermelon all the way down, and that's the winner.
All the way down?
All the way down, down,
So
down.
this is what I got. It smells good, and I love watermelon.
This is the one I have. And I have this plastic one to protect my clothes.
Where's your blindfold?
Oh,
See, she about to cheat already, y'all. We didn't even get started.
are we taking the thumbnail
Yeah, we can do a thumbnail.
without blindfolds on?
No, you ain't have to do it. Look at you. This gonna be crazy. All right, baby, you gotta watch the watch the.
Now, are we doing time in like 2 to 3 minutes, or
No, same thing.
You wanna do? Let's do 3 minutes.
No, because it don't take that long. Cause y'all just gotta keep eating.
We just gotta keep eating.
Whoever eat first, whoever wins. This is a win challenge. This ain't no time challenge.
All right, so Lexi.
On your mark.
Oh,
Put your blindfolds on. On your mark. Get set. Make sure you know that thing at.
I'm seeing.
dang, dang, dang?
And go. Hey, you better show them with that mouth be fluff. Show them, baby.
Who am I?
Show them you that juice. Get all this juice, baby.
Make it cheaper. Y'all ain't give me a chance to catch my breath on the last night.
That's why I run pretty good.
My stomach is so full.
Feel me?
Roll them out from here, baby.
Oh, I sound like a pig.
That ain't what y'all sound like. I
Like,
hope don't nobody be listening, trying to figure out what the hell's going on here.
Woo. It's hot in here.
It's a juicy watermelon. Why it's so juicy?
Cause it's wet.
Are we almost done?
You eating, baby.
It's awkward to get in the middle.
It is. Just keep eating.
Okay.
Not done.
Challenge. Nope. Touch it with your hand. Why y'all asking me?
Oh.
You know you can touch it and feel it, right?
She might win this one time. I can't even break no more.
She ain't wet over there.
That's a problem. Do it.
Exactly.
I don't know. Is that a problem?
Whew.
Go on, baby. Show them what you got. Show them what you want.
Yeah, show them what you was gonna do. I just did this and I'm tired. But I ain't gave up yet. And y'all, I can't see nothing.
Is it done yet? Light it up.
No, baby. You
No,
got a couple
baby.
more bites to go with me.
He said you got a couple.
I feel like she done, so y'all probably done.
I ain't called it the quits yet.
Okay.
You ain't throw the flag in?
Not yet. I'll make you work for a little bit longer. Y'all, I'm tired. I just did this challenge. And ooh, it's hot.
Is it done yet?
Yeah, you eating the rind on. You need to get to the middle, baby.
Right here?
In the middle. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Ooh, I might be having a sugar rush. That's why I'm slowed down.
All right, what you think, babe?
Yeah, you good.
You done?
You won, baby.
You won, babe. That's what she gonna say.
Lexi said, I'm done. Woo!
I forgot, y'all. Gastric bypass ain't no joke.
Look at this joker, though. Damn, she was juicy. I made a mess.
I forgot. I just did this with Prissy P, y'all. And I think I ate it so fast that, you know, the sugar and gastric bypass.
Y'all, if you haven't done this,
It is a very fun challenge.
this was the Boss Lady challenge she brought to our house where we at today. And you good? And I'm a challenge. Keep Cam and the fam, do it, y'all family. Excuse me.
Y'all silly.
It's the water.
It's that's what's happening.
It's the
Oh, I
water.
know. I'm just saying. Y'all
Challenge. Keep Cam and the fam. I want y'all to do it as a family. Face Squad, do it with your family. Let me see who else. Face Squad, Keep Cam and the fam. It's like when you got a bunch of people doing it at one time.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Who you want to challenge on our channel?
Oh, Leilani and the girls.
Yep.
I don't know. I'm gonna challenge my family to do this challenge.
Yeah, anybody that's on Boss Lady channel that's watching,
I'm challenging everybody.
everybody. That's everybody.
And I want to see Prissy P and her mother and her brother do this challenge.
Oh yeah, that'd be funny.
Now that's gonna be fun.
That was good. That's a good challenge right there.
You got some more.
I know. That's what happens, you know, when you eating her up, right? It's like a, you know,
Yeah.
you know.
I got to do that.
Oh, y'all.
But
This was fun.
this was fun, y'all. She ain't lying. It was fun. But you know what? You start doing like when you eating it, don't get like stuck here.
If you don't chew it up all the way.
I was chewing it though.
Oh, you was?
Yeah. If it's getting stuck.
Oh, okay. You got to hit the chest.
Yeah. Say it with your chest, huh, baby? Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest.
Say it with your chest.
It's stuck.
You got to
There you go. There you go. It went. Alright, guys. Thank y'all for watching this video. Check out Boss Lady Lexi channel. What you saying? What you saying?
Boss Lady Lexi.
The whole thing.
Well, goodbye, everyone.
Nope.
It is your girl, Boss Lady Lexi.
What's the 1 pound at a time? I'm making her sing.
Yeah, she is. She put me down for
Put
it.
me to work.
Hashtag 1 pound at a time. Hashtag 1 pound at a time. It's my journey, my weight loss journey. I can do it on my journey. 1 pound at a time. 1 pound at a time. Hashtag 1 pound at a time. Hashtag 1 pound at a time.
They about to send the
Y'all
popo.
didn't know that beatboxing.
Yeah, we did.
We did do that.
I saw that.
We did.
Alright, guys. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to share this video. If you haven't subscribed to Boss Lady Lexi, subscribe to Boss Lady Lexi. If you on our channel for the first time, subscribe to DC Kool-Aid and Lisa. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop a video. And if you haven't getting notification, check it. Unsubscribe, subscribe back, hit the bell, and you'll be back in business. Alright, so thank y'all for watching us. This is DC Kool-Aid.
And this is Boss Lady Lexi.
And we out. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.
Yeah. DC Kool-Aid and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, pranks, and vlogging, man. We a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K, best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. DC Kool-Aid, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Town. Have a seat watching videos. And nobody likes to hate, keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot, smash that like button. Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad, Bomb Squad. Hey!